Casual conversation. Where would you like to start?
So we have this ASIN here. We did a lot of work here, but we have no sales. Like it's been weeks and weeks. We got no sales. So recently we got a request from this client to pay more attention on this one, and we did the competitor research. Based on the competitor research, we decreased the price to match the other competitors, and we improved the main image also. And we did data dive, and this data dive we incorporated in the listing and in the title and in the ads, but we are still not having any sales. So I'm wondering if we are missing something. We even have a campaign for video here.
So what is this product? Is it a tool?
Yes.
What does it do?
It's an application for another machine that is connected to. So that's the machine that it is connected to, and here is the device.
Is it specific to just that machine?
Exactly. There are a couple of machines it works with, and it's called like this machine.
And they're all branded accessories?
Yes, exactly.
Then why do they want us to focus here? Because you can't acquire customers with just this product, correct?
Yeah, we are selling just a small part, yeah.
The only thing I would do on this is make sure we have ads set up for when they buy main product A, that ads for accessory show up. So this is a display targeting ad, very specific, and you can target past purchasers up to, I think, 6 months or retargeting. You may be able to do it at the brand level. I know you can do it at the ASIN level. I'm not sure if you can do it at ASIN A into ASIN B. That's the part I'm not 100% on. We need to double check. But if you ask the advertising specialist to set up a retargeting campaign so that when person visits product A, that they see for months product B, that would be the best way to grow this product, because that's the only customer set available, right? It's somebody that's bought the main product. You can't sell a brand specific accessory to acquire a new customer. That's not going to work.
Exactly. Awesome. Okay. Thank you so much.
Do you have A+ content and brand stories linking to these products as well?
Yes, we have alt text.
Great. What about the product grid at the bottom? I don't see a product grid. That would be the next step. So cross-linking the products, I would add that module. That's the most important module. It's very rare to not want to include it. I would generally include it. Now I do see a lot of lookalike products. Maybe the next question would be to go to them and say, hey, are there any non-brand JMB Pro products that this accessory can work for? Can we get a specific list of those? And if you could narrow down the ASINs, then you could set up advertising specific to the ASIN as well.
Okay.
But if they come back and say no, it only works on our brand, then the first analysis I gave you stands alone.
Yes. No, it works on all the other brands, like very popular brands. But I will double check with the client. Yep.
Great.